I'm out here at the Sioux Falls Ice Show checking out the latest ice fishing gear this year, so check out the other videos in the playlist and let's jump in.
What's up, everybody? This is Matthew Evans with Relevant. We have a really cool new product this year for the hard water ice fishing season. It's new of this last year, but it's gonna be here full boat this year. So what we have, this whole case is filled with hard water bronze. It's mixed in with our original 5 core line frames. It's mixed in with our brand new premium frames, which consists of 9 different frames. But the hard water bronze lens is what we're really hyping up this year. So the whole design of this lens is for ice fishing, for those running and gunners, people who are always outside chasing down the fish and getting after it. So this lens is designed to take off all of that bright white off the ice and take all that glare off of the ice, and then allow you to still stare at your flasher, your Garmin screen, whatever you're fishing with, you're allowed to stare at that, because polarized lenses, usually you're getting those ripples on your phone screens, any actual electronics. With these screens and this lens, you're not gonna have any issues while you're chasing after the fish on those really bright days. You can still stare at your flasher. Plus, you tie that with the chameleon technology on all of our glasses that you get, and a lens that you can wear no matter what the environment is outside. It could be a sunny day, it could be an overcast day. No matter what the conditions are, these glasses are always gonna be adapting to do that, and we can actually show you on how that works. So this little device here portrays as the sun, gives off high nanometers. So you can see it's this olive green color on the inside in their non-activated state. And so when we set them in this little device here for about 10 seconds, it's gonna take that lens from that really light olive green color and move it into a much more dark amber brown color. You can see just the inside of that lens in about 10 seconds, that was some harsh UV light on these lenses, and that's what caused them to go into that activation and make the mirror coating much darker. So that's you get a lot of benefits out of the hard water bronze, getting rid of that really bright white when it's really bright outside and getting all that glare off the ice as well. You get the versatility of being able to see your electronics, and you get the chameleon tech, so you're always out there and whatever the elements are. So check us out at relevant.life.